The success of your business often depends upon your ability to make informed decisions. While accessing the right information at the right time is important, how you collect the data from different sources is also critical. SOLIDWORKS Manage brings your distributed operational efforts together so you can accelerate your ability to make intelligent decisions. Dashboards deliver pertinent information from your project's processes and records, and can be configured to best suit each user so that everyone's on the same page as it applies to their responsibilities. Easily organize your next project with familiar planning tools that are much smarter than traditional methods. Allocate resources to your stages and visualize their load, splitting stages when necessary. Tasks can be created individually or as a component of the project. Like a virtual Scrum, assign and view tasks from the list or the tasks board. Some tasks aren't as simple as checking a box. The deliverable may need to go through a release process. With the same environment and associated records, use the Process Management Wizard to automate more complex business processes. For example, the new product introduction process kicks off a secondary process for creating and releasing the associated product assembly instructions. This enables you to automatically involve multiple departments from one starting point. Furthermore, SOLIDWORKS Manage can change the state of your documents in SOLIDWORKS PDM. This ensures all users are working with a single source of truth regardless of their role in the company. Another common deliverable is the bill of materials for the product sold to the customer. SOLIDWORKS Manage reuses the CAD BOM so you can easily add items, configure, and create variants when required. As all of your work gets started and completed, dashboards are automatically updated so you always have the accurate information at your fingertips. Use SOLIDWORKS Manage to evolve your operational efforts to get more accurate, accessible, and timely information so you can make more informed business decisions faster.